We've got a grosbeak out here. We've had many birdie visitors today during the blizzard. This is the first grosbeak. Of course, it keeps blowing the snow on the window. Oop. There he is. Poor little buddy getting blown all around. It's blowing out there. Got some juncos, robins, finches. I have to go wipe the window down so that we can actually see. I put some apples out there so that the robins and the starlings have something to eat. Yeah. Woo! We're having a blizzard! Sorry. I know it's going a little fast. What do you think, Smokey? Yeah? We got quite a bit of snow last night. Jody's doing the porch. Y'all watching too, huh? Y'all keeping an eye on things? Blew it right up against the window. It's still snowing. Smokey loves the snow. Well, what do you think? You want to play? She wants to play. Ooh, it's light and fluffy. Come on, guys. You don't want to come out. Don't be silly. It's freezing cold. I have the kitty cat house out here. I covered it with a tarp. But unfortunately, whoops, the wind keeps blowing the damn tarp off. So it's not really doing any good out here. Don't jump on that, Charlie. That's a bush. That will just fall right underneath. You want to come out on the snow? Look out. We're going. There you go, Charlie. Well, what do you think about that? Is it cold on your little toes? Oh, is it cold on his little toes? Oh, no, you don't. You're not going under there. That'd be like a little igloo. Yeah. Is that silly kitty coming out on the snow with you? Oh, yeah. You want to stay and play in the snow for a little bit? Ooh, I got snow in my slippers. Okay. We got a little muffin. Hi. Hi, Muffin. I have a little heat pad here, a heated pad under the blanket. It's real nice and toasty. Oh, yeah. It's nice and toasty for the fluffy girl. Yes, it is. Got a little... back room is... it's so crowded right now. Oh, well, what can we do? Is someone out there talking to Daddy? Well, what do you think, Smokey? Is that right? Well, what do you think, Smokey? What do you think about it? What are you even looking at, you silly girl? Well, Hi, Charlie. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Charlie boy. Hi. Who's a handsome kitty? I love you. Yes. Careful you don't poke it out.
Yeah.
That's some dangerous shit right there. It's like right above your head. Jeez Louise. That's dangerous.
Yeah, look, I got a little something in my eye.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Oh, it's just a little one.
Man, look at that. Icicles are gnar. Above here.